Experiencing data problems with Cricket Wireless? These initial troubleshooting steps will help identify and resolve common connectivity issues before moving to advanced solutions. First, confirm you're in a Cricket Wireless coverage area. Green areas on the coverage map indicate strong signal availability. If you're in a white or light area, poor coverage may be causing your data issues. Try these quick fixes first. Toggle your mobile data off and on. This refreshes your connection to the network. Then restart your phone completely to clear any temporary glitches that might be affecting connectivity. Check your data usage in the MyCricket app. If you've exceeded your monthly limit, your data may be throttled or temporarily suspended. The app shows exactly how much data you've used and how much remains in your billing cycle. Make sure your phone's operating system is up to date. Both Android and iOS regularly release updates that fix connectivity bugs and improve network performance. Check your settings for available system updates. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve most common Cricket Wireless data connectivity issues. If your data is still not working after trying these solutions, advanced troubleshooting, including APN settings configuration, may be needed. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Cricket Wireless data issues, incorrect APN settings are often the culprit. This is especially common after switching plans or bringing your own device to Cricket. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Mobile Network, and finally Access Point Names. Here you can add or modify your APN settings. For iPhone users, go to Settings, then Cellular, and select Cellular Data Network. This is where you'll configure your APN settings for Cricket Wireless. When configuring your APN settings, ensure the MCC is set to 310 for United States and the MNC is set to 150 for Cricket Wireless. These codes are essential for proper network identification. If APN configuration doesn't resolve the issue, try resetting your network settings. On Android, go to Settings, System, Advanced, Reset Options, then Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. For iPhone users, navigate to Settings, General, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This will refresh all network connections and may resolve persistent data issues. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact Cricket Wireless support at 1-800-CRICKET. They can provide additional assistance and verify your account settings. Finally, here are the expected speed ranges for Cricket Wireless. 5G Plus delivers 114 to 444 megabits per second. Regular 5G provides 46 to 254 megabits per second, and 4G LTE offers 7 to 61 megabits per second.